The Lincoln Electric Company, headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, is the world leader in the design, development, and manufacture of arc welding products, robotic arc welding systems, plasma and oxy-fuel cutting equipment. Lincoln Electric is the recognized global leader in welding solutions. In 1895, with an initial investment of $200, John C. Lincoln founded the Lincoln Electric Company to manufacture electric motors. Later, realizing the potential for arc welding, James F. Lincoln, John's brother and the company's second CEO, expanded the product line to embrace new technology. Lincoln Electric has also been an innovator when it comes to labor practices, being the most requested business case study at the Harvard School of Business. Today, the Lincoln Electric Company is the industry leader, with global sales in excess of $2 billion annually. Lincoln Electric Welding is vital to many industries including automotive, shipbuilding and structural fabrication, offshore, pipeline and power generation, heavy fabrication, pipe mills, maintenance and repair. These diverse markets served to make Lincoln Electric a strong and stable company. The world we know today and the world we will build for tomorrow depends on welding. The Lincoln Electric Company enjoys long-standing relationships with many world-class companies. Through these partnerships, Lincoln has helped customers achieve competitive strength, acquire new skills and knowledge, and work more profitably. For the leader in welding, equipment, consumables, and solutions, the world turns to the Lincoln Electric Company.